Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. I am Hira Noreen, your computer science teacher, and today I am here with the first lecture of week 3 from chapter 1, Fundamental of Computer. So before we start our lecture, we must recap the previous lecture in which we learn about the classification of computers. There are 3 classification of computer. The first is mainframe, mini computer and microcomputer. In mainframe computer, we discussed that the main computer are more powerful computer and more expensive computer as compared to the other two computer, mini computer and microcomputer, and they process trillion of instruction per second. And then next we discuss the mini computer. In mini computer, they are smaller than mainframe computer but larger than microcomputer, and they execute million of instruction per second, and they are used in a PIA etc. And then we learn about the microcomputer. A microcomputer are much smaller computer as compared to the mini computer and mainframe computer, and they can easily carry from one place to another place, and they are cost effective and execute million of instruction per second, and they are mostly used in the homes and offices etc. So here we start our today's lecture in which we discuss the role of computer. As we all know, the computer plays an important role in our modern society, and it's changed our lives in many ways, like the tasks that are manually performed in days or even a month, the computer can perform within the minutes. So it is the best invention of modern technology. Uses of computer. The computer is almost used in every field of life nowadays, and some uses of computer are here listed below. Computer is used in education, business, defense, media and manufacturing. First we discuss the role of computer in education. The role of computer in education has been given a lots of importance in the recent years because it is the process of learning, and the computer technology improve the education system. Many programs are online available for the students better understanding, like the subjects of physics, biochemistry and mathematics. The lecture of these subjects are online available for students effective learning, and the multimedia software makes the process of learning more attractive and interesting. With the help of multimedia projector, students are betterly understand the topic because it combines the text, graphics and sounds and videos for the effective learning. When the students learn the lecture with the combination of text, graphics and sounds, they much better understand than a traditional text system, and it is a more effective way of learning. So here is our today's lecture in which we discuss the role of computer and uses of computer in education. Hope you understand it. Here is your assignment of today's lecture. Your first task is write few lines about the role of computer in our daily life, how computers play an important role in our daily life living, and the second task is learn the use of computer in education. So students, if you have any question you can ask from me, and Allah Hafiz.